Learners Club is such a wonderful platform where you can find the summaries of your favorite books. Today we have a book named Who Moved My Cheese. So enjoy the summary of the book by Shoaib Salman. The book Who Moved My Cheese is written by Spencer Johnson, who tries to tell the human behavior by writing such a beautiful book. So let's enjoy the book. Once long ago, in a land far away, there lived 4 little characters who ran through a maze looking for cheese to nourish them and make them happy. 2 were mice named Sniff and Scurry, and 2 were little people named Hem and Haw. This is the pictorial representation of the characters of the book. Every morning, they each put on their jogging suits and running shoes, left their little homes, and raced out into the maze looking for their favorite cheese. Sniff and Scurry continued to wake up early every day and race through the maze. In the beginning, Hem and Haw also raced towards the maze station C every morning, but after a while, a different routine set in for little people. Hem and Haw awoke each day a little later, dressed a little slower, and walked to cheese station C. After all, they knew where the cheese was now and how to get there. Having cheese makes you happy. After a while, Hem's and Haw's confidence grew into the arrogance of success. Soon they became so comfortable they didn't even notice what was happening. 2 mice, the problem and the answer were both simple. The situation at cheese station C had changed, so they decided to change. Haw and Hem started to get depressed. They have made future plans based on this cheese. The next day, same situation occurs that make them more depressed and arose lots of questions in their minds. Why did they do this to me? What's really going on there? Finally, Haw coped with the situation and said, "By the way, where are Sniff and Scurry? Do you think they know something we don't? Maybe we should stop analyzing the situation so much and just get going and find some new cheese. If you do not change, you can become extinct. Smell the cheese often so you know when it's getting old." Imagining myself enjoying new cheese even before I found it leads me to it. It is safer to search in maze than to be in a cheeseless situation. Noticing a small change early helps you adapt to the bigger change that has to become. Move with the cheese and enjoy it. Sometimes we act like Sniff, who sniff out change early. Sometimes we act like Scurry, who scurries into the action. Sometimes we act like Hem, who denies and resists the change. Sometimes we act like Haw, who adapt the change. At the end, I would like to tell you that Learners Club will soon upload a animated short movie of the book. So stay tuned with us and like, subscribe and share the video, and thank you for watching the video.